Hi you guys, it's your girl being Natasha Nicole here, and I am coming through on a Friday. I know it was very random, different, but I just decided we're gonna do a little clean with me because this is usually what I do on Fridays. Fridays are my day free. I don't have class is what I mean. I still gotta go to work later and my son's at school, so it gives me perfect time to clean my house. And plus my one of my best friends is coming in from Atlanta, and she's staying with me this weekend, so organized. And y'all, yeah, so I just decided to bring y'all along with me, so here we are. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna take these clothes out the dryer. Some of them I actually don't put in the dryer, but I got some clothes that I need to go get from the laundromat because I always go to the laundromat to wash my comforters because they're too big to go in like my washing machine. So we gotta go pick those up too. That's out the dryer. Oh my god, y'all, this pollen has been tearing me up. I am allergic to tree pollen. I'm also like allergic to dust, but this time of the year when it's spring and everything is yellow, your girl can't breathe at all. But what I have been taking for my allergies like every morning, and it has been working, is the Zysol. It's kind of like your Claritin. It's like a 24-hour thing, and I take that along with a Sudafed every morning, and it's been doing me right. I can't even lie, it's been doing me okay. But right now I haven't taken it this morning, and I think yesterday I just kind of almost had like an allergy attack, and it was just like, oh, like I was a snotty mess. I was so snotty, like I could not even get it together. And some days are just worse than others, so I'm just waiting for it to rain to just kind of clear some of it out the air. And it looks like it's gonna actually rain outside today, but I don't know. I hope so. It's been looking like that for the past couple of days, but it has yet to rain. So all right, hang these up. We're gonna start these in the dryer, and then we're gonna pick up go put our comforters in the dryer. And y'all, man, I had no idea that it was so expensive to wash, you know, a load of clothes these days. Like I used to have to do that like back in the day when I didn't have a washing machine and dryer. And I just don't remember, you know, like I usually could get like everything done in like 20 minutes. Not 20 minutes, but like for $20, I mean. I felt like good 20 bucks, I could wash everything. Me and my son's clothes. At the time I was with my baby daddy, so his clothes, like, we was Gucci. But now, like, maybe because I'm using the extra big one because I'm doing my comforters, but just that alone was $10 just to wash them. And it's a quarter to dry, but you know, like each quarter is like maybe like 3 minutes or something like that. I don't even remember. But anyway, let's go get the clothes. Y'all, I keep my coins in a Crown Royal bag. This is actually for my car because I can't keep it on watching. So y'all, I'm really thinking about washing my car off. Like, look how dirty it is. Not that it's dirty. Can you even see that? Do you see the yellow? That is what I'm allergic to. And it's like, I'm just touching it on my handles and oh. I need to go get my nails done because 2 of them have broke on the same hand. And I'm a little bit over that. And I just got them done too. When I went to a new salon when I know I shouldn't have, they screwed me over. But I don't know. But yeah, I always keep my money in this Crown Royal bag. Yeah, I'm telling you, this little side change come in handy. Every time you go through a drive-through, it's like super full. I need to actually kind of empty it a little bit. I'm trying to think, should I really drive my car? I mean, wash my car. Should I wash my car or should I just... I'm gonna go back to the house. I'm gonna go finish cleaning up because I got people coming to town. I got one of my besties coming in town, so I think I'm just going to go home and maybe I'll rinse it off in a minute because I gotta go get my nails done. We got a lot to do. Let's get it done. All right, so we're back at home. We're gonna get this living room behind us cleaned up and all the general area. And the key to having a small place is to at least clean up once a week so you can just, you know, if you ever need to, you know what I mean, you can always tidy up real quick. So hopefully this won't take long. We're gonna play some music and get it popping. He on the bed, I fuck him up in the head. Suck it, then look in his eyes. Then the next day I might leave him on red. Ay. So I'm back. My battery went dead, but I think the last thing you probably saw was me clean out this table back here behind me. Yeah, sorry about that. But I mean, we're still kind of cleaning. Now it is probably about, clock's a little fast. It's probably about 1 o'clock. So my son gets out of school at 2:30, so I need to get myself together and get ready for work. I cut off my fingernails because I kept bumping them while I was cleaning a while ago. and I had already had 2 of them broke, and I just don't have time to go get them done. I thought about it, but I just decided to cut them off. So it feels good to like be able to ball up a fist. I can't even lie. So I'm gonna show y'all a little bit. So living room is clean. I got this table cleaned off for the most part, and I just put some Easter eggs here because it's Easter time, just kind of for my centerpiece. I have these over here drying, which are my mats for my table. And I got, for the most part, my kitchen cleaned up. I got clothes washed. So we're making progress. So now the only thing left to do is my room. I had went and got my comforters and everything from the laundromat. I've already done that. So now we just got to get this room together. And you see I got my bed made up and stuff, but I got the comforters and stuff, but I just need to get all my makeup and stuff together. But I feel like ain't no point in really doing my makeup stuff right now because I gotta do my makeup. So I think right now I'm gonna go get in the shower. I kind of organized back here a little bit. That's clean. I do need to vacuum, and I have to clean off this. I did clean the bathroom. Y'all missed that part. Let me take you over here. The bathroom's all clean and stuff. Or the guest bathroom for my friend. So this is that. Got that pretty much, you know, tidied up enough. You know, so it's good. It's good, it's good, it's good. And your girl's still looking like who did it and why. And I need to take this because I need this actually in my bathroom. So yeah, we're making progress. Whoever said progress was a slow process wasn't talking about me. Wasn't talking about me. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower and stuff and do my makeup, which of course I'm gonna do it off camera. But I just wanted to touch bases with y'all because I haven't seen y'all since my camera died. And this was supposed to be a clean with me. I guess this would be kind of like a little vlog type thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and do my baby hairs and stuff. And I need to order some more hair, y'all. My birthday. So we're gonna see about doing that later. But for now, we're gonna do these edges and get in the shower and do a little something to our face. We're not going too dramatic. I hope not too dramatic. But anyway. Okay, guys. So I done showered. I'm back. I picked up my baby. He's in there watching TV, doing whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up this last little part. My makeup section is just like all over the place. Brushes on the floor. Like this whole area got to be clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up before I go to work. My best friend just called and told me that she actually will not be here this weekend. So I'm not in a, I mean, my house is clean, but I really want to get my bathroom and everything done. I wanted my whole house spotless, especially since I was having company. But since she's not coming, I'm gonna clean my bathroom and stuff in the morning. I'm not gonna worry about it. My room, for the most part, is decent. It's okay. It'll be all right. But this, though, this got to be cleaned up immediately. Expeditiously, in the words of T.I. But I'm going to go ahead and clean this up and before I go to work. And that will be all for this Clean With Me video. You like my makeup? I try not to do too much. I just put on some lashes really and some eyeliner, but pretty basic, you know. All right, guys, so I'm done. I got my makeup area cleaned up a little bit. I mean, it ain't perfect, but it's better. I got this organized. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end this Clean With Me vlog / whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs up for more videos like this. Also leave a comment below if you want to see a, wouldn't be a new apartment tour, like a clean apartment tour, because my son's room isn't clean, so I have to clean that up. So make sure you leave comments down below, and I'll make sure to get back with you on those. But anyway, I'm going, y'all. It's been real. See you guys later in the next one. Deuces.